Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you top 10 amazing patio shade design ideas and guide to patio shade solutions for every space and budget. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Imagine this, the sun glints off your meticulously curated patio, dappling the furniture in a warm embrace. Laughter mingles with the clinking of glasses, and the air is alive with the hum of conversation. But wait, the sun dips lower, casting a harsh glare and transforming your haven into an inferno. What's missing? The magic ingredient? Patio shade. More than just a practical necessity, patio shade is the transformative element that elevates your outdoor space to a true oasis. It's the conductor that harmonizes the symphony of sunlight, temperature, and ambience. But with an abundance of options available, navigating the world of patio shade can feel overwhelming. Fear not, fellow design enthusiasts. This comprehensive guide, brought to you by Homes Decor Designs, will equip you with the knowledge and inspiration to create the perfect shaded retreat. Patio shade encompasses any structure or material that provides protection from the sun's rays on your outdoor patio. It not only enhances your comfort, but also protects your furniture and extends your enjoyment of the outdoors. From classic umbrellas to modern retractable awnings, the options are vast and exciting. How to build a cheap shade structure for your patio? Who says shade has to break the bank? Here are some ingenious DIY shade solutions. First, sail it away. Shade sails are budget-friendly and offer a touch of artistic flair. Attach them to trees, posts, or your house for versatile shade. Second, upcycled chic. Repurpose old bed sheets, canvas tarps, or even fabric shower curtains into makeshift shade sails. Third, vine time. Plant climbing vines on trellises or pergolas for natural, ever-growing shade. Fourth, get crafty. Create a shade canopy using PVC pipes and fabric. Let your creativity blossom. What is the best shade for a patio in high winds? High winds can wreak havoc on your shade solution. Opt for these sturdy options. First, retractable awnings offer convenient shade control and retract easily in windy conditions. Second, pergolas provide a solid structure for shade sails or climbing vines, adding architectural charm. Third, freestanding canopies, sturdy and portable, these can be weighted down for extra stability. Fourth, reinforced shade sails. Choose sails with reinforced corners and grommets for added wind resistance. What is the best shade for a backyard patio? The ideal shade depends on your specific needs and preferences. Consider these factors. First, size and shape. Choose a shade solution that fits your patio's dimensions and complements its design. Second, sun exposure. Analyze the sun's movement throughout the day to ensure adequate coverage. Third, privacy needs. Opt for shade sails or retractable screens for added privacy and seclusion. Fourth, style and budget. Explore a variety of materials, colors, and designs to match your taste and financial constraints. And to complete your inspiration, here these the top 10 best patio shade ideas. 1. Designer shade sails. Create a vibrant outdoor space with colorful and patterned sails. 2. Retractable pergola awnings. Combine the beauty of a pergola with the convenience of retractable shade. 3. Freestanding gazebos. Create a dedicated outdoor room with a stylish and functional gazebo. 4. Climbing vine walls. Add a touch of nature and privacy with lush, climbing vines. 5. Market umbrellas. Offer classic charm and ample shade for smaller patios. 6. Cantilever umbrellas. Provide shade without a central pole, perfect for dining areas. 7. Retractable patio screens. Enjoy shade and privacy with motorized or manual screens. 8. Awning window shades. Extend your shade coverage to windows and doors. 9. Vertical garden walls. Combine shade with greenery for a unique and eco-friendly touch. 10. DIY projects. Get creative and personalize your patio shade with upcycled materials. With the right patio shade solution, you can transform your outdoor space into a haven of relaxation and enjoyment. Whether you're on a budget or seeking a luxurious touch, there's an option for you. So, explore your options, embrace your creativity, and step into your very own sun-kissed oasis. Visit our YouTube channel, Homes Decor Designs, for more inspirational shade ideas, expert tips, and DIY tutorials to bring your patio shade dreams to life. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest trends and design innovations. Let's create beautiful and functional outdoor spaces together. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you gallery of best deck with amazing patio shade design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next video.